So for the last month and a half, we've been staying here in Wellingborough. Jeremy's sister has kindly taken us in. We've been catching up with some friends in London, planning our next moves, and we've also done some upgrades to the van. Tomorrow we are moving back in, we're hitting the road again, so today I thought I would just quickly show you the upgrades that we have done. So the first and most obvious change that we've done is the floor. It's completely new. We decided to lay it on top of the old floor and I'm very excited. I think it looks great. So the second most obvious thing that we've changed is the bathroom. It has new wallpaper and a new mirror and a new mirror on the shelf station. The floor is the same as out here, and we've also got rid of the huge shower curtain that we had in there, and we are gonna put up one when we need it instead. To save some extra cupboard space, we have added a spice rack. It's also magnetic. Very handy. And for this cupboard down here, we decided to make some shelves. Just so we can have 2 layers of things instead of just stacking things on top of each other. And this is all Jeremy's work. Well done, Jeremy. And then to the part which I think is the most important, and that is that we now have an alarm system. I think that's gonna give us a bit of peace of mind when we leave the van and also when we are sleeping in it. And the last thing, and probably Jeremy's favourite, swivel seat. That is something that we have wanted since the day we got the van. And now we can use all this space. We can eat or be on the computer, do whatever. Enjoy the sun, enjoy this beautiful sound of someone cutting a hedge, whatever. So then we're ready to hit the road again. See ya!
Right again.
Okay. Why are you laughing? And I'm sweaty. Oh God. Just need to.